Hi first graders, today I'm going to show you how to get to a new math game. So first you're going to go to Google Chrome. And I believe that you all have this bookmarked on the top of your page. You need to go over to Think Central. Okay. Then your information down here, hopefully it's already in there for you. You need to make sure you have the United States, Wisconsin, Bondwell Elementary School. And then you need to put in your username and password. Your username is the same username that you use to get into the computer. And then your password is ABC123. All right, once you hit that login button, this is the screen that you will see. We have things to do, my library, and my scores. For today, we want you to go to My Library. Okay, then this screen will pop up. So the button I want you to click is Math Activity Center. In the future, we may go to these other tools, but for today, just Math Activity Center. All right, and then this screen will pop up. This is the Math Activity Center, and it has many different choices for you if you want to read some math books. If you're a friend who likes an extra challenge, there's lesson challenges on this orange button. But today I want you to click the red button that says Games. Right now there's only one game in there. It's an addition and subtraction game, which is perfect for us because that's what we're working on. So I'm going to click that. Okay, so on this game, you can see that, well, I logged into this person's and I already did lesson 1 and lesson 2 on theirs as practice for the tutorial. So I will go here, back to lesson 1, and I'll show you how to play. Okay, so you have to match up with how many there are on the other side, and then you click the referee. Okay? This part's pretty easy. Let's try something more difficult. As you move farther and farther, the challenges will get a little bit harder, okay? We'll do this one. I see 3 here and 2 here. I think that means I need to put 5. All right, friends, I'm sure you get the point by now. This is an awesome game that you can play after Prodigy, or if you're bored. Sometimes they might even assign this. So just make sure that you know how to get here. And if you need help, just message me on Dojo or Teams or email me, and I can help you get there. Thanks very much. Have a great day.